If you seek clarity, a place to pour out your heart, and you want someone to hold you accountable, and someone you can talk to without feeling judged at all. And to top everything up, something that can help you to better yourself and improve, watch this video to the end. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara. I film about personal development, faith and lifestyle. Today's topic is basic journaling for beginners. In this video, we're going to be breaking journaling down for beginners and further explaining the importance to people who have already started journaling. We're going to be looking at what journaling is, the importance of journaling, and why you should journal. Journaling is basically writing down your feelings and your emotions. It is the act of keeping yourself accountable. It is basically getting a book that keeps you accountable and helps you to self-reflect. Now, a journal is different from a diary. When we're in secondary school, if you're a Nigerian, and even if you're not, you know all those Bola did this to me yesterday, she slapped me, this and this is what I overheard at the staff room, blah 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 blah. Now, this is not what a journal is used for. Now, there are times that your journals might hold some personal information that you don't want to get out to people, so you should also keep your journal safe. Until the importance of journaling. Put the importance of journaling under three subheadings. We have for self-reflection, for self-relief, and for personal growth. On self-reflection, it takes us back to just journaling your thoughts and your emotions at that time, or how grateful you are. For example, there are apps that help you to journal during the day or at a particular time. They just send you prompts of how do you feel, how are you feeling at this moment, and you just write 2, 3, 4 lines. Some tell you what are you grateful for. Now, some people wake up in the morning and one of their first few things that they do is to journal. Some people reflect on how they are feeling. Some people, it might be gratitude. You hear some people, they say they write down a list of things they are grateful for. Some people even make it a gratitude jar. Now, this is beyond, a step beyond journaling, but it's all part of it. That is what self-reflection stands for. You are just looking inward on how you feel at that particular moment or what you are grateful for. Now, let's move on to stress relief. This is my personal favorite, and there is a term called brain dump. This is when you are feeling overwhelmed, you're feeling anxious. There are a lot of things running through your mind, and you just cannot pinpoint it. It's like all there is not organized at all. What you do is either you pick a pen, a paper, or there's a section in your journal that you title brain dump, where you just pour out what is in your head. And this can be thoughts, this can be emotions, and this can be tasks that you have to do that just makes you feel so overwhelmed at the moment. It's a trick that helps you to combat anxiety. When you pour out everything that you are feeling at that particular moment onto the paper, you get an instant sense of relief. Now, this doesn't solve your problems, but it lifts the burden from your heart directly to the paper. Now you can look at it and say, this I cannot control. This is how I should plan my day. This and this is what I should do. So it helps you to be more organized, which leads us to our third importance, which is for personal growth. And when I was talking about self-reflection and self-relief, all of that fell under you just using a book that you call a journal to just write all these things down. But when it comes to personal growth, it takes a step further and you are introduced to a concept called bujo, and this is called bullet journaling. If you have watched my previous videos where I talked about habit stacking, how to create small habits or improve yourself, you would know that people implement journals which are called bullet journals because they are more creative, and then it is not just a book that you are writing things. There are prompts, there are things to guide you to be more productive. In your bullet journal, you have things like your to-do list, your habit tracker, your mood tracker, you have your brain dump, You have a segment that can help you for your finances, your health, whatever you want to put there. In fact, there are some that are movie recommendations. You can customize it any way you like. And this is where people take it a step further. Even in the previous ones, you can either use a digital planner, you can use a physical planner. Now, not to get overwhelmed, it is not so difficult. There are people who have free journals that you can download to help you to start. But if all of this is overwhelming for you, you can just get a book that you write what you want to use journaling for. It is very important to note that journaling is not a size fits all. Whatever you want to use journaling to do, how it can help you. You might want to use it for brain dumps, you might want to use it to just be organized, you might want to use it to track your habits, you might want to use it to schedule your day. That's where you have your to-do list and all of that listed. Now, you can just tailor whatever you want, tailor your journal to your need. So you can just go with something very simple, minimalist, and start like that. Why should you journal? One, it frees your mind and makes you feel lighter. Another way is gratitude. When I was talking about brain dump, I explained that it is important to help you to ease anxiety and you not being in control of anything at that particular moment. So you pour out your heart and you just write everything that's making you feel overwhelmed. You get an instant relief and then you move on. Another gives your focus from the negativity of life and on the things they should be grateful for. Now, people that self-reflect in the morning or at the night, it just helps them to know how they feel at that particular moment. It helps you to track your habit. Your journal is your accountability partner. When I started this video, I said if you want to talk to somebody without feeling judged, and if you want to have an accountability partner, you should get a journal. How is this so? Now, if you have a bullet journal or you just have a journal that you just created for yourself and you have your mood tracker and then you are ticking it, the days that you do not maybe go to the gym or do exactly whatever you want to do, you will see it. Nobody is ticking it for you. It's your life. You look at it and you're like, what? I did not do this, I did not do this, I need to do better in this aspect, I need to do better. Or even how you felt at a particular time. Maybe you were tracking your emotions or you were just having a brain dump. It also helps you to remember dates and events and keeps you organized. Now, when it comes to your to-do list, if you do not take anything away from this video, please make sure you have a schedule. What you have to do in a day, you wake up in the morning or the previous night before, and then you get to it. If you want to learn more about productivity using your journals, learning about habits, how you can imbibe them, start them, I have made videos with good reviews and I will link them in the description below. You can check them out after you watch this video. Make sure you check them out. Journaling also helps you to remember stuff, events, whatever you want, write it down. Your brain is not a computer. Anything you want to remember, you can always write it down on your to-do list. Have you noticed that people who go to the grocery stores without a list actually end up getting more than what they bargained for? And sometimes even they don't even get what they went to the store for, and then they get other things and then they are distracted. You see the importance of a to-do list. These are all concepts that are incorporated into journaling. And like I said before, you don't have to be overwhelmed by the different types or the different ways you can organize your own journals and all of that. And you just do what works for you. Hope you've learned one or two from this video. Now, if you've not taken anything away, like I said, you must incorporate your to-do list in whatever you are doing daily. And now your to-do list must not be overwhelming. Packing 10 things on your to-do list, 15 things on your to-do list in a day would either make you unproductive or make you tick all those 2 minute things like taking out the trash. That is very easy, and then you tick them off and you think, oh, I've done out of all the things I listed, I've done some things, I've done this and this, and then you are feeling like you are productive. That is it. That is a lie. Now, if you want to learn how to properly schedule your day, what you should have on your to-do list and how to schedule it, make sure you stay subscribed and you turn on your bell notifications when I drop a video concerning that topic. Stay productive and stay blessed. See you in the next video. Bye.